Yo, what is up guys? I am back at it again with a brand new tutorial. I'm going to be showing you the latest Dead by Daylight codes that are working as of August 2026, and I found a crazy code that will give you 6,000 Auric cells. Auric cells is what you use to purchase new killers in the game, and yeah, there usually isn't that many codes that good, so I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to get it. Before I begin, all I ask is you guys like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Now let's get right into it. Now I'm going to go to my internet browser, and I've literally been searching all day long. Now there's a bunch of these websites that claim to have working codes, but most of these codes don't give you anything cool. So let me show you the website that I've been using, and they do update their codes every single day. So it's going to be called DBD codes and then .com. So I'll go ahead and zoom in so you know exactly how to spell it. So dbdcodes.com. This is it right here, and then go ahead and click search. Now it's going to take you to the official website. It might be kind of hard to see, so they do have a light mode. I'm going to go ahead and click this right here, and hopefully you guys can see it a little bit better. Alrighty, so this is what we're looking for, 6,000 Auric cells. This is 100% free. It's just going to be a redeem code that you redeem in game. And yeah, this one is super popular right now, so I'll go into this in a little bit. They do have other ones as well, so you can get banners, figurine charms. Let me see, 10,000 blood points, another figurine, more banners, see this, a charm, and then the 6,000 Auric cells. Now this one is going very quickly. There is a limited amount of codes left, so I hope you guys are all able to take advantage of this. Just go ahead and click get code. It's going to tell you all the information about it, and then go ahead and click show DBD code. Now this will go ahead and try to secure a code for you, and this should only take a moment. So you can see the coupon is valid, and you will be taken to this page. Now this is going to be the code that we will be redeeming. Now they do have a verification in place. A lot of people were trying to resell these codes to people for money, and there is a limited amount left, so they had to implement this verification. But don't worry, it's 100% free, and I'll take you guys through the whole process. So go ahead and click get full code. You will be taken to this page where it gives you all of the instructions. Basically, it wants you to complete 2 offers below, and then once complete, the coupon will get unlocked. Now, these offers are basically just apps that you install from the official app store. They are 100% free, and you download them from the app store, so they are not like a virus or anything sketchy. It's just going to verify that you're not a spammer. And once you complete that verification, you just head back to the website, and your full code will then be unlocked. Now, I've already done this today, and you can only get 1 code per day from this website, so I won't be able to unlock another one. But once it is unlocked, you just basically copy it from this box right here and redeem it directly in game on Dead by Daylight. If you guys have any questions or any issues, feel free to comment below. Once again, it's dbdcodes.com, and until next time, see ya.